Welcome to this video guide on how to live stream to YouTube or platforms with our video streaming device. This is XSTRIVE 32 channels video streaming device. It supports mutable video in protocols such as RTSP, RTMP, and OC G.711 divided by MP3 audio input. We enter the password to log into the device management interface. You can start streaming your content. Here we have already set up a YouTube live channel. You can choose your favorite streaming platforms or apps. First, we go to the channel setting page to select a video file you'd like and save to the specific channel. Here we choose the channel for, and then open the bandwidth refresh to make the video work successfully. We get back to YouTube live channel to get live code. In the stream key section, click copy to copy your live URL and stream key to your clipboard. Then return to device management interface to paste in the appropriate field. Please note separate the URL and key with a /. Click Enter to save your settings. Of course, in advanced settings, here, you can adjust your audio settings to match your streaming needs. You're all set up and ready to enjoy seamless streaming. Remember to interact with your viewers and have fun creating content. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.